He is stuck.
Oh no, he's hung up on that concrete. He's not going anywhere. He's done. Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah, he's really not going anywhere now. Bring him a little bit further over towards you guys. This is just adding insult to injury.
Uh-oh, he's gone.
Did he let that driver out of that car?
Come on, hit him again. He'll be able to get out if you do.
I think we got a winner already here. Look at that.
Okay, folks, hit it again with the horn. Okay, just so everybody understands, we got to stop the cars. Hey guys. All right, hey, we got to stop the cars for a minute. We have a gas leak on the car.
He says it's water in there, but it's pouring out the back. But that wheel is totally broke loose from the back end of it. But he got pretty high on that job.
Good luck out of your mouth.
Get the whole crowd to come down here and just pick this car up.
Yeah!
Okay, understand everybody that that is not gasoline, that is water. They use that for ballast in the cars to add some weight, so it is safe. If we can get that, is he out of commission?
Yeah, the wheel's gone off on the back side here. It's just wobbling all over the place. I don't think we'll go anywhere now.
Can you see from here, Mike?
Yeah.
See the cars?
We'll get you off here. I think we got some help coming in. Make room for that tractor to get in here.
There's no over there, okay?
All right. Well, we're going to keep going, so...
You could get him a little closer with him.
Thank you. No problem.
I on my shoulder.
There you go. Look. See them?
Leon Cole could be proud right now. This Chrysler bump on his block.
That was like right off the bat, too. He was trying to get out of there, but that first hit knocked him down.
Well,
He knocked that barrier.
He got the two, one right after the other, and then the other guy came around and hit him again.
Yeah. And then he did it the final time.
All right. Hey, Paul.
Dun 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 dun.
I remember having to use one of those years ago to get our truck a work truck of ours unstuck.
He's getting up in the world.
He's rising. Almost.
What do you think, guys? Is he going to make it?
Rise!
Is he going to make it? He might be driving around with a big old concrete block on him.
Rise!
Now back him up. All right, hey. Paul, we're going to ask the two drivers over here if they want to continue. You guys want to continue? Okay. Yeah, what about number 95? Yes? Okay. So, if you guys just can get out of the way.
Oh, I think he's fine.
All right. We're going to have to just get this car out of the way, fix the... Once we get the rotor out.
I think I can pick this up. I think I got it. I think I got it.
You got it, yeah, he's gonna lift it, yeah.
How heavy is it?
Oh, each one of those blocks?
Yeah.
They're probably about a ton each.
Oh.
He's rolling. Hey, ready, roofing. Paul Warnicke's still in the race.
He didn't have to deal with more crashes, he just had to deal with that one pretty much.
Yeah, well, he's out.
This guy's out?
Yep, he's out. Yeah, he's out. Okay. We're going to get these two other cars once that rotor is out of the way.
You want to sit there, bud? Sit here? Sit like this.
If you can give a quick blast to get them going again.
What if we get Mr. Warnicke to come over and get in that car? What about that? He owns that A-Ready Roofing. You think that'd work? Huh? Maybe he can drive.
All right. Okay, you got.
What's your lights here, okay?
You're good.
We'll be right behind you. Hold on. Hold on a second. Let me have your hand.
He's got smoke coming out the front.
Is that bad?
Means his radiator's busted, so he's gonna start overheating.
This way.
You can hear it.
Hey, I know you get to squeeze another time.
All right, let's see what.
Hey,
And the adults will stand in the background. But
scoot over a little bit.
Short ones up, it'd be great. Thank you.
All right.
Hang on to the top.
And we got a car stalking him. Let's get it going. Come on. Let's root.
Make it rise from the dead.
And uh-oh.
He's all jacked up.
That's pretty close.
And he's out.
Yeah, that's big.
All right, we got to.
Oh, nice!
I'm telling you, he ain't wanting to get out of this race. He's still moving. Look at them wheels. Look at them wheels.
All the wheels! Come on! Make him pay!
We still got a race going on here. Look at this.
Make him pay for what he did to you! Oh! Oh!
They're locked up now?
Yeah.
It ain't looking good. 95's got his radiator blown out.
271 is trying to go in reverse while the other one's going forward.
Oh! Come on! How is he even moving? I don't even see how he's moving.
You're watching the derby.
Call it out. Here we go.
He's like, oh, come on.
Call that winner. How do you know who won that?
All right.
This is one crazy derby.
All right. Well,
Oh, and it's right, yeah.
It's still going.
Another one halfway off the rim.
number 271.
271's the
Can
winner.
you guys see this okay?
271's out.
No way.
All right. So 95 is the winner.
271 should be the winner.
The green one, the green one, the 95.
All right. Well,
271 should have won.
That's what I'm saying, man. Like a sedan, a big sedan.
There's gotta be a winner. There's gotta be a loser.
271 should have won. He made a big comeback.
Let go.
okay.
Okay, so one person has remained unable to move and has gotten out of his car.
Okay. So we're gonna get this
Get
car
off
out
me,
of the way.
bug. I don't want you here.
We need the loader. Let's have the loader.
This
pick
is my
up
first
this
video
car.
with this phone, so let's.
We do have some
That's the
other debris on
lonely
the track.
loner. He's a loner. Stuck in the middle of a demolition derby field. Sorry, bud.
You're
But
getting big.
you gotta do what you gotta do.
After a while. 30
Bring out the tractor trailer.
90.
Sorry if you can't see this, guys, but it is really hard to zoom in this place, and really hard to keep this video stable.
After a while, it
So.
starts feeling like 200. Yeah.
But that's what daddies are for. Not to handle it.
You gotta have a little break every now and then.
And he's gonna get risen from the dead.
Well, if I could, I'd throw you on top of the ship.
Rise!
That's pretty cool though, ain't it? Watching them records of each other.
They're watching from that pool.
You're watching.
Daddy, they're watching from holding that pool.
No, you're not gonna hold the pole.
Why?
Because they're gonna put more weight on me.